हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। हमारे प्रीवियस वीडियो में हम लोगों ने हमारे टाइप्स ऑफ रिडम्पशंस ऑफ डिबेंचर डिस्कस किया था। अब हमारी अपकमिंग वीडियो में हम लोग हमारे जो दो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट मेथड हैं, दैट इज सिंकिंग फंड मेथड एंड इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी मेथड, उसको हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। ना देखिए, मैंने आप लोगों को पिछली वीडियोस में थोड़ा थोड़ा सबके बारे में बताया था। सिंकिंग फंड मेथड में हम लोग क्या करते हैं ना, द अमाउंट इज इन्वेस्टेड इन द फर्स्ट कॉल सिक्योरिटी विद सिक्योर्ड एंड फिक्स्ड रिटर्न्स। Here the amount is invested in the first call security and security with secured and fixed returns। मतलब क्या होता है, the amount whichever is being invested for the redemption means in the purchase of debentures for the time of redemption is invested in the form of the first call security with secured and fixed returns, on which we get secured and fixed returns in every scene. In every scenario we can go for the so the simple meaning, the amount invested in the first call security with secured and fixed returns. Okay, next means the amount invested gives a compound interest by getting accumulated year by year, giving a required amount for the redemption of debentures. See, why the debentures are why we raise the debentures, because we in the form of increasing our capital whenever we require the investment, whenever we require the amount, we raise debentures, and we are supposed to do the redemptions for the same. Now on the basis on for the redemption, we have several methods for doing redemption. We can go for the conversion, rollover, rollover के लिए जा सकते हैं हम लोग, परचेज बाय ओन मार्केट में से कर सकते हैं. So we have different methods for the redemption. So apart from that, we can also go for the sinking fund method, means at the last whenever we are supposed to do redemption, see, we need a particular amount to redeem our debentures. So for that redemption, what the sinking method specify is that the amount invested gives a compound interest. The amount invested is giving you a compound interest by getting accumulated year by year. Obviously, when you start the investment from the very first year, and the amount invested here would become something adding on the interest. Okay, then later on it turned out to an actual amount, and then here again this amount is invested, adding on the principal, adding on the interest, getting on means it keeps on getting compounded year by year, giving you a required amount for which you are supposed to redeem your debentures. Okay, so very basic concept is there on sinking fund. So what we are going to discuss next is we are going to discuss our the entries for the sinking fund, that are, see, always go in a flow according to, I always say you in my videos that you are always supposed to go in your flow. Okay, now what what the sinking entries, what the sinking fund method entries say is that, wait a minute, I will also clear it side by side. Okay, sinking fund method, see, okay, the sinking fund method entries for the first year, the entries are divided according to the year of your investment. Okay, number of means investment, suppose you have done for the number of years your investment is going to continue, the entries would continue in the same way. So what is the first entry? In the first year, what we are going to do, profit and loss appropriation account debit, this is debit, okay, debit to sinking fund account, means a setting the aside amount to be required, the amount which you are going to invest in sinking fund yearly, on every year basis you are setting the amount here. Profit and loss appropriation account debit to sinking fund, the amount would be the set aside required amount. Okay, the next is सिंकिंग फंड अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक, द इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ द सेट अमाउंट, जो आप लोगों ने अपनी अमाउंट एक निकाल कर रखी, एक जो पर्टिकुलर हिस्सा है वो निकाल कर रखा है, सो दैट अमाउंट यू आर गोइंग टू इन्वेस्ट इन योर बैंक, नाउ दैट इन्वेस्टमेंट वुड बी नेम्ड बाय सिंकिंग फंड अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक. Okay, in the first year we are supposed to do the two entries, that is profit and loss appropriation account debit to sinking fund account, and then the sinking fund account debit to bank, that is investment of the amount set aside. Both the entries are of the investment which you are going to do yearly in every yearly basis. Okay, Next we come on to the next entries, second and the subsequent years. What we are going to do in second and subsequent years means मैम फर्स्ट ईयर में तो हम लोगों ने ये एंट्री कर दी, उसके बाद जैसे कि आप लोगों ने अभी फर्स्ट ईयर जिस टाइम आपने इन्वेस्टमेंट करी उस वक्त तो आपने ये एंट्री करी, उसके बाद आपकी इन्वेस्टमेंट कितने सालों तक चलने वाली है. ऐसा थोड़ी ना है कि फर्स्ट ईयर हुआ, सेकेंड ईयर हुआ और थर्ड आपका लास्ट ईयर है. नहीं, डिपेंड करता है अलग टू अलग रिडम्पशन अमाउंट्स पे कि आपको कितना कितना रिडम्पशन चाहिए. सो इन दैट केस द सब्सिक्वेंट ईयर मीन सेकेंड ईयर होगा तो भी आपकी यही एंट्रीज होंगी, थर्ड ईयर होगा तो भी यही एंट्रीज होंगी, फोर्थ ईयर होगा तो भी यही एंट्रीज होंगी. जिस हिसाब से आपका जो इन्वेस्टमेंट पीरियड है एक्सपैंड होता जाएगा उस हिसाब से आपकी सब्सिक्वेंट एंट्रीज यही चलती जाएंगी. डिफरेंस हमारा लास्ट ईयर की एंट्रीज में आएगा. ओके, सो दिस ईयर सेज दैट आई विल टेक अनदर पेन टू मार्क दिस. ओके, this year says that second years and subsequent year, what you are going to do, the basic entry we did in the first year, profit and loss appropriation account debit to sinking fund. Obviously the first step is of the investment. You are supposed to do the investment which you are going to do. Okay, profit and loss investment account debit, profit and loss appropriation account debit to sinking fund account, setting aside the required fund based on sinking fund. Okay, next bank account debit to sinking fund interest account. Okay, bank account debit, we are debiting the bank account to sinking fund. We received the interest. I told you on the last page that we will receive the interest on the investment amount and it will get compounded year by year, giving us a required amount which we need at the last of the redemption. So similarly here we are getting the interest. Bank account debit to sinking fund interest account debit. Interest received on the sinking funds. Clear or not? You have received the interest here on the sinking fund on the amount you invested in your first year and subsequently which you are going to invest in the upcoming years. Then what we are going to do, the transfer of interest to sinking funds. Obviously here we received the interest from bank, now we are going to transfer it to a sinking account fund, that is sinking fund account interest account debit, sinking fund interest account debit to sinking fund account. The interest received on sinking fund account debit to sinking fund. Okay, then next sinking fund investment account debit to bank account. Investment of the amount set aside and interest received means we are again doing the investment of the amount set aside plus the interest received. So of both these, whatever we are getting the amount, we are going to check that sinking fund investment account debit to bank account. Clear with this? I hope सबको समझ में आ गया है. Okay, now whenever until unless your last year arrives, you are going to do all these 4 adjustments in the every year of your investment. That is profit and loss appropriation account debit to sinking fund, bank account to sinking fund interest account, then sinking fund interest account debit to sinking fund, and at last sinking fund investment account debit to bank account. Okay, okay मैम लास्ट ईयर की एंट्रीज क्या होंगी देखते हैं. देखो चलो लास्ट ईयर की एंट्रीज भी क्या होंगी. ओके, लास्ट ईयर की एंट्रीज में हम लोग क्या करते हैं, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट डेबिट टू सिंकिंग फंड, वही बेसिक एंट्री जो हम पिछले 2 फेज में हम लोगों ने देखी है. देन उसके बाद बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू सिंकिंग फंड इंटरेस्ट, जो हमें इंटरेस्ट मिला है. एंड एट दिस टाइम व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, वी हैव डन इन द लास्ट सिंकिंग फंड इन्वेस्टमेंट अकाउंट डेबिट टू सिंकिंग फंड अकाउंट ओनली. Okay, why we have done this sinking fund investment account debit to sinking fund, because देखो जो लास्ट ईयर है हमारे पास, वी आर हैविंग दी लास्ट ईयर. ओके, तो लास्ट ईयर में जो हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं, लास्ट ईयर में थोड़ी ना हमें जो हमारी अमाउंट और इंटरेस्ट है उसको इन्वेस्ट करना है. अब तो हमें भाई मेच्योरिटी चाहिए ना, हमें तो अब अमाउंट चाहिए, मेच्योर हो गया है हमारा सारा पैसा, अब तो हमें वो टोटल पैसा अपने हाथ में चाहिए. So for that case we are not going to deposit it again, we are not going to invest it again. So the entry would be sinking fund interest account debit, this is interest not investment, interest account debit to sinking fund, transfer of interest by sinking fund. We are not going to do the investment entry, that was sinking fund investment account debit to bank. वो entry हम लोग नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि हमारा लास्ट ईयर है, लास्ट ईयर पे तो हमें matured amount हमारे हाथ में चाहिए. Clear? Okay. Now see, at the time of sale of investment account, see investment or any investment you have done of the sale, whatever you are going to do. So in that case, what you are the entry would be bank account debit to sinking fund investment, amount received from the fixed interest. Okay, sorry, not fixed interest. This is not fixed interest. This is sale from the investment. Okay, sorry for this, sale of the investment. This is sale of the investment. So for here, what we are going to do, see, whenever we are going to sell our investment, the entry would be bank account debit to sinking fund investment account. And if we are experiencing any kind of a loss on such sale, so the entry would be sinking fund account debit to sinking fund investment account. अगर हमें कोई भी लॉस हो रहा है तो उसमें हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं, लॉस ऑन सेल में हम लोग क्या करेंगे, सिंकिंग फंड अकाउंट डेबिट टू सिंकिंग फंड इन्वेस्टमेंट अकाउंट. क्लियर. सिमिलरली प्रॉफिट ऑन सेल पे हम लोग क्या करेंगे, सिंकिंग फंड इन्वेस्टमेंट अकाउंट डेबिट टू सिंकिंग फंड. अपोजिट है दोनों एंट्रीज. अगर लॉस है तो सिंकिंग फंड डेबिट हो रहा था टू सिंकिंग फंड इन्वेस्टमेंट, और प्रॉफिट है तो सिंकिंग फंड इन्वेस्टमेंट अकाउंट डेबिट टू सिंकिंग फंड. Okay, the next entry would be the transfer to the general reserve, and that would be transferring the balance of sinking fund account to the general reserve. The entry would be sinking fund account debit to general reserve. The method is the entry is sinking fund account debit to general reserve, and on further on the payment of the debentures, that is debenture account debit to bank account. Clear with this very short topic? We have discussed all the adjustment entries related to sinking fund method. Okay. Now further we are going to discuss our another topic, that is insurance policy method. Insurance policy method भी हमारा काफी important topic है. हमारे दोनों ही topic बहुत ज्यादा important है. तो अब insurance policy method में देखो क्या कह रहा है. An insurance policy is taken for the required amount for redeeming the debentures. इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी हम लोग लेते हैं जो भी अमाउंट चाहिए हमें फॉर द रिडम्पशन ऑफ डिबेंचर्स. द रिक्वायर्ड अमाउंट वी नीड for the redemption of the debentures. Under this system, the premium is paid regularly in installment. Under the system, the premium is paid in regularly. Installment 1, installment 2, installment 3. So the premium is paid accordingly in the installment basis. And the company on the maturity gives you the accumulated depreciation. Accumulated amount जो होता है, sorry, accumulated depreciation दिमाग में चल रहा था. Maturity gives on maturity company हमें क्या देती है, जो हमारी accumulated amount होती है पॉलिसी की, जो हमने installments on the premium basis, premium की जो हमने installments पे करी है पॉलिसी की, उसका जब अमाउंट हमारा accumulate हो जाता है, उसको कंपनी क्या कर देती है, उसको मेच्योर होने पे हमें पे कर देती है कि ये लो भाई तुम लोगों ने हमारे पास पैसे दिए थे, अब तुम इसे ले जाओ, मेच्योर हो गया है, सो टेक इट अवे. ओके. So in that case, difference between the insurance policy and sinking fund is that no interest is received on the installment of insurance policy. Yes, ये बहुत important है. देखो हम लोगों ने अभी जो है sinking fund method डिस्कस किया. sinking fund method में क्या किया था हम लोगों ने कि हमें इंटरेस्ट मिल रहा था, जो भी हम लोग अमाउंट की इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रहे थे ईयर वाइज कंपाउंड हो गए, हमें उसमें इंटरेस्ट का कैलकुलेशन हो रहा था. लेकिन इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी मेथड में हम लोगों को क्या था कि हम लोगों को कोई भी इंटरेस्ट नहीं मिलेगा. यहाँ पर देयर इज नो इंटरेस्ट इज रिसीव्ड ऑन द इंस्टॉलमेंट ऑफ इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी मेथड. ओके. बहुत ही छोटे छोटे मैंने आप लोगों को बहुत ही ब्रीफ में बताया है कि क्या क्या डिस्कस होगा, क्या क्या दोनों टॉपिक्स क्या क्या कहते हैं. तो इतना ब्रीफ आप लोगों के लिए काफी है. बेसिकली आप अपना फोकस रखो प्रैक्टिकल पार्ट पे, और थ्योरी पार्ट के लिए इतना काफी है जो मैंने आपको बताया है. ठीक है. Now each year what we say is that each year the entry which is going to be take place, the profit and loss appropriation account debit to debenture redemption fund account, the amount of premium policy would be taken as an amount, as the figures here, the amount of premium of policy, whatever premium you are going to pay. So profit and loss appropriation account debit to premium to debenture redemption premium account. Debenture redemption policy account debit to bank. The next entry would be debenture redemption policy account debit to bank. So the premium on the policy, whichever premium you are going to receive, transfer to the bank account. The debenture redemption policy account debit to bank. At the time of the realization of the policy of redemption, what we are going to do at the time of the redemption of the realization policy, bank account debit to debenture policy account debit to debenture redemption fund. What we are going to do here, at the time of realization, whenever our policy get mature, this realization means mature, whenever our policy is getting mature and we are going to do the redemption, we want the amount in our hand for redemption. In that case, the entry would be bank account debit to debenture redemption policy account debit to debenture redemption fund. And the debenture redemption fund account debit to general reserve. That would be as usual entry as we did in sinking funds. The amount is transferred to the general reserve. Debenture redemption fund account debit to general reserve. And here bank account debit, debenture redemption policy account debit to debenture redemption fund. मैम debenture redemption policy में amount क्या होगा? Amount at which policy account, जिसमें हम लोगों ने पॉलिसी जो पॉलिसी की हमारी अमाउंट थी जिससे स्टार्ट किया था वो, और रिडम्पशन फंड में मैम डिफरेंस ऑफ द टू अमाउंट्स, जो बैंक और यहाँ बैंक और अमाउंट एट विच द पॉलिसी अकाउंट वॉज स्टार्टेड, इन दोनों का डिफरेंस जो होगा वो यहाँ आएगा. डिफरेंस ऑफ द टू अमाउंट्स मीन्स डिबेंचर रिडम्पशन फंड में जो यहाँ इन दोनों अमाउंट्स का डिफरेंस आएगा वो हम लोग यहाँ कैलकुलेट करेंगे. ठीक है, क्लियर विद दिस. So here we are done with our both the methods, that is the sinking fund method and the insurance policy method. आप लोग एक बार इन एंट्रीज को ध्यान से देखो. हमारी अगली वीडियो में हम लोग इससे रिलेटेड प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चंस करेंगे. Okay, till then if you like the video, hit the like button, keep following and keep subscribing. Thank you.